Changing the email link to your Discord account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access the Discord website through your browser. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Locate the gear icon User Settings at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Select My Account. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the My Account tab. This section contains your account information, including your current email address. Step 4. Change email address. Look for the email section and click on the Edit button next to your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 5. Verify your new email. After entering the new email, Discord will send a verification email to that address. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the instructions to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your email address linked to your Discord account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for assistance.